Hello everybody, it's SHAZIZZ here. I'm gonna title this video just for giggles. What we got here is a couple hard drive motors, not modified anyway. I've got my lead on the red wire and the black wire on one of these right here. And so if you give it just a little spin, you see you get a little bit of voltage out of it. So just for giggles, I thought, well, maybe I'll just hook a couple of these together with a rubber band, right, and use the little 9-volt AC adapter and plug it in. Give it a little whirl. And notice that I was getting a little bit of voltage going on. I also noticed that I could get the same amount of voltage off the other two wires. This system right here is only running off of 2 wires. Right now it's on the green and white one on this side. And so you can see, got a little catch in the rubber band. It's every once in a while to jump up over 1 volt AC, but for the most part it's down to 0.9 volts AC. And so anyway, I tinkered around with it and I got a few cool little anomalies, such as if I shorted it out. Let me try to do that real quick. I'll use a okay, I'll just use this wire right here, and I'll try to short it just a little bit. See that? See that voltage jump? Alright, well, now that wasn't all that exciting and everything like that, so you know, I just kind of tinkered around with it. I got the same amount of voltage over here. Let me go ahead and just take that off of there, and I'll put one on there and one on there, and you'll notice I'm getting the same amount of voltage. So then I decided, well, maybe I'll just put one on there and put me a jumper wire from one side to the other. Let me get it there. Come on. Little bitty wires are hard to deal with. So I put one on there. May run it in series. Notice I got a little bit of fluctuating, a little bit more that way. Well, anyway, after tinkering around with this for quite some time, I kind of got a little bit more crazy. What I did was unplugged it from the AC power supply, put that on there, took the rubber band off, hooked my voltmeter onto the black wire, and one to the red wire. Yeah, that's the wrong wire. Dude. Okay, let's do that. Now, a little spin, I got a little bit of voltage. I said, for giggles, let's just hook it on that right there, which is still connected to the same motor, and try it again. And I noticed my voltage started jumping up a little bit. Actually quite substantial, if you look at that voltage going on there. So I said, okay, well, let's do this. Let's hook my Dremel up with one of these little buffing pads right here. It's going to get a little bit noisy. Raise the RPMs up a little bit. Put a little pressure on it. Anyway, I think you get the point. Pretty interesting. What do you think? Just for giggles? That's a little hard drive motor. And you can actually take that wire and not have that wire connected on there. Might have been a little bit better. Put that away from there. Let's try that again. Look at that. Now, let me just for giggles put that doggone rubber band back on if I can find it. Got a whole bag of rubber bands and I can't find the one I had. Let's just throw this one on there. That'd be good enough. Well, it's not going to do what I needed to do. Oh well. So what do you think? Takes 9 volts AC to run it. Alright everybody, stay tuned, peace and love.